Hi guys, I'm here with a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will talk about how can do a high score table. A score table is not difficult, but in my table you have the possibility to custom it. You can change some things, but we can see it when I will explain how do it. This high score table is just for Windows system or for Mac system. And in the next tutorial I will explain how to do it for a mobile system. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now I will show what we will do and how work it. Okay, I have this simple system. We have the yellow square with the score. Every time I click here, we have, you see these the points will go up, and I have this object in the next room. I will click, and now we write the name FFFFF, and you go in the next room where when there is the table high score, and you see FFF is here. We have the other points, and here the 000, and back in this room. Okay, now I will show how do everything. Okay, now I explain how we build the simple system. Okay, of course we need to make the sprite. I have the square, the yellow square for the score, and we have other three square is four totally here. Four. One is next room, another with the right red next room, and one square with the right back. And I have also this square, this sprite. I have draw it because inside it we can write our name in the table high score. But okay, and now we have to do the object. Okay, you remember this is our first room, and we have the square yellow score. When we click here, our score grow up, and we have next room. When we click here, we go on the next room. Okay, you go create event. We have the sprite, yellow sprite, of course, and we have the event create, and we go to score equal 0. With this code, every time we open our game, the score will be always 0 at the beginning. And I have on the event left pressed. Okay. Sorry, this is the create. Okay, left pressed. Okay, you see score plus equal and the number of the points we want give. That means every time we click on this object, our score will grow up. In this case 200 points. Okay, we have the other object in this room. We go and create a left button or left pressed button, and room go to room 1. You go in the other room. Okay, you do the same things for the other object in the other room with this sprite, and and for the object on this sprite, is the back. You remember is in the last page where there is the HIGHSCORE tablet. If I click back, we will back in this room. Okay, and we go event left pressed, and room go to room 0 is the green room. Okay, this is a simple system. Now we will see how part of the high score table. Okay, finally we are at the first step to create the high score table. You remember when we open our project, the first room we see is the green room. Yeah, okay, and there is also the next room is the red room where we write the name, and the last room is the blue room where we see the high score table. But we see just 3 rooms, but on real we have 4 rooms. Where is the 4 room? The 4 room is at begin, is the first room of the game. We don't see it because you see is empty room with just an object. We don't see it because it's very fast, but it's very important because in this room we create the file ini. We will see. Okay, this is the object in this room, in the first real room. In create, I have a file ini. File ini is so important because file ini have the memory of the high score table. And the first time, the first things we need to do to have a high score table is create a file ini. Okay, you see, we can create it like this. Ini open. I say punteggio as this is Italian words. You can say score, or you can change you can change the words. You can see the words you want. Is ini open punteggio punto ini for me. Okay, and after this you create a cycling for this cycling create the a score table 10 position. I say 10, I write 10, but I can write 5, 4, you can say, you can write every number you want, every position you want. Okay, we open it and we we create a array for every position. Global.score array he un and no. I write and no because the first time we play with the game we have not whole 10 position full, and on empty position you will read no in the position. Okay, of course, this array is for the name on the high score table, and the other array is the same with 0, is for the points. Okay, of course, the cycling create in this case 10 position for this for unknown for the point, and we close the cycling for, and we write a ROM go to at the first room we want to see. Okay, now we go at the first room we see, the green room. Okay, we are in the green room. What we need do to have our house core table? Just we had change some things in the code in the object to go to the next room on the blue object. Okay, we go. Okay, we remember in this object, you click here and you go on the next room. Okay, now we delete it, this, and we write another code. I write it and now explain it. Okay, let's go. We need to open the file ini we had created in the first room. You write ini open and the name of our file ini. And we do the cycling for to have the 10 position in the our high score table, and we write again the global score array, and we have equals the ini read string. We need pad this string he and name and no. We do the same with the score, but we change the score and 0. With this code, we if the name is not present in the our table, we add the right no, and in the line of the score, if the score is not present, the PC write 0. And we close our ini. Is very important. Close our ini. You need always remember it. Okay, now we need to have we need to go in the other room. But how can do it is very easy. We need open again cycling for with the 10 position, with the 10 position about our file ini, and put this code. If score is more than the global score array position for one of the position, we go in the room 3. In this case, the room 3 is the room when we write our name. If global score is not, if our score is not more than the global score array 1, we go in the room with just the table, where we can't do nothing. Okay, that's all for this room. We are on the red room. In this room, the player write the name. Okay, we work in two objects. In this, in no sprite object, yes, and also in this purple object. You remember when I click here, we go in the next room, and we will see what we change. But we start about the no sprite object. Is this no sprite object is the sprite for write our name, and we go in create. Okay, I have some variable max we did. With this variable, we have the maximum we did consent right. You can change if you want it. If you want 10, 2000, how many ones you, how many long ones you the man can write. Okay, txt is what does it contains, what is right, and I have also this keyboard string, and this string is I have these strings because if you play one time and you write your name, and if you play the second time, you will have the same name and you have write the first time. With this keyboard string, you have nothing. You can write everything you want without delete the first write. Okay, we have don't see alarm alert preset. That is not for this project. We have the event press any key. Go key press and any key. That means any key you write, you press, work this code. It's very simple. It's very simple. If the string is not more like math we did, you can write. That's equals the key string, and you can write. Also, you can write. It's very simple. You copy it, and you have no problem. Okay. And now you have the draw. Okay, draw is very simple. Just you need to copy it. Okay, our code is begin for the fourth line. This first two line are for write the points we had on the screen, the points we had made in the other room. You see? You see the string is a score. Is talk about the score. Okay, but if for what we write for the table, draw set fonts. I use these fonts. This functions is for aligning our right, and here it uses if text is nothing, draw text x y and the text, and of course x you can change x and y. I choose the write the code when I path this object, but of course you can path every coordinate you want on the screen. Okay, you copy it, and this is that's all. That's the function. If you don't know how work it, go at the manual, but it's very easy and very simple. Very simple. Okay, we have end with this object test. Now we go on the button to go on the other room. Okay, you remember, yeah, I can see you for right go to room, and when you click on this go to room, you go on this to room. But if you have the HIGHSCORE tablet, you need a code to implement. Okay, this is the code. Okay, is the first time to do is enter your name. Is you create a variable global name and equals a keyboard string. And now you repeat the operation you do with the object in the other room. You open your file any, you write your cycling for, and you um, write about array for your code, and is equal is the same things. Is not nothing has changed, and close your ini file ini with ini close. You open another cycling for, and you again, like in the other object, if score is more than the global array score. Okay, and now start the change. Um, we create another cycling for with I say j equals 9. If j is not more j is less. Okay. From start from begin from begin from the last score. Each PC computer control where path the table score your point your score. and close it. And now you need but also the global name score, and global name and the global name score, and break it because the computer do it at the infinite if you don't break it. And you close the score, the if, and then the cycling. Now again you open your file in and write the new HIGHSCORE tablet with the new points. Okay, and you close the ini, and you room go to the next room. Okay, this is all is very simple, you see. Okay, and now we have the last room, and it's very simple room. Okay. Okay, we are in the last room, the blue room. In this room we have two objects. There is a invisible object and the button object. If we click here, we go in the first room, in the green room. Okay, we work for the HIGHSCORE tablet just for this invisible object, on this invisible object. Okay. Object text, no, sorry, error, object write the HIGHSCORE. Okay, we open a draw event and we write this. Okay, this is where begin to write the HIGHSCORE tablet. XX equals room we did. Okay, this is the coordinate is, and for the x, this is the coordinate for the epsilon. Okay, here we have the function for the right, the color of the text and the fonts, and the other function. Okay, we go. We write another 4, and we have epsilon plus equal 52. That means every time the PC write a line, the line is 52, yes, 52 down the other line. Okay, and we write draw text xx over the coordinated, epsilon the other coordinated, string global score array e comma 0, and this is for the name, and test draw text x plus 400 epsilon string global score array he comma 1, and this is for the points. There is plus 400 because begin to write the points, of course, more left from the string when we write the name. Okay, that's all. I hope yeah, you understand my tutorial, and sorry for my very bad English. I hope I can help you with this tutorial. And if you have some problem, you can write me on the comments, and I can try to help you. Goodbye.